coming up next. And now it's quiz time. The Guyana Learning Channel, inspiring all ages.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the National Library and Gafoors annual Inter-Schools Quiz Competition. This is not simply a competition, it is a learning experience as well. All the participants had to do much research to prepare themselves to compete. And you, our viewers, will also learn as you watch and listen. In addition, the winners of the final round of the competition will be rewarded for their hard work. Each member of the winning team will receive $12,000, a trophy and a book. The runner-up team will each receive $7,000, a trophy and a book. That's not all. The winning school will receive a water cooler and the runner-up school a garbage bin. Before we begin, a quick reminder of the rules. The moderator will read each question twice and the participant will have 20 seconds to respond. At the end of that time, the bell will be rung. If the answer given is correct, 2 points will be awarded. If the answer is incorrect, or if the participant does not answer within the given time, the question is given to the corresponding student of the other school, who will have 5 seconds to respond. If the correct answer is given, 1 point will be awarded. If no correct answer is given, the moderator will provide the answer. Good luck to you all. And now, let's welcome our moderator, Miss Pamela Mason.
Thank you. We have with us today the 2 participating primary schools, St. Ambrose and J. Burnham. We will now allow the representatives to introduce themselves, starting with St. Ambrose Primary.
My name is Janelle Batson. I'm in grade 6 girls, and my favorite hobby is reading history books.
My name is Fion Brummagem. I am in grade 6. My hobby is swimming.
My name is Harmony White. I am in grade 6 and my hobby is reading fantasy books.
Thank you, St. Ambrose. Over to J. Burnham.
My name is Alicia Cameron and I am in grade 6. I love to read and write.
My name is Serena Salmon. I am in grade 6 and I love to read books.
My name is Kayla White and I am in grade 6 and I like to read. And my hobby is reading.
And I am your moderator, Pamela Mason. We're on to the first round in the preliminary rounds. And this round has 5 categories: spelling, social studies, mathematics, science, and sports. Are you ready, teams? The first category is spelling. And the first question goes to Janelle from St. Ambrose Primary. The instruction is, give the correct spelling of each word. Give the correct spelling of each word. Janelle, your word is dictionary.
Dictionary. D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y.
That's correct. Delicia, your word is kidney. Kidney.
Kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Kidney.
That's correct. Fionn, your word is leisure. Leisure.
L-E-I-S-U-R-E.
That's correct. Serena, your word is grammar. Your word is grammar.
Grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R.
That's correct. Harmony, your word is mammals. Mammals.
Mammals.
That's correct. Kyla, your word is parliament. Parliament.
Parliament. Parliament.
And that's correct too. We're on to social studies. Janelle, your question is, Jenny lives with her parents, siblings, aunts, and grandmother. To what type of family does she belong? Jenny lives with her parents, siblings, aunts, and grandmother. To what type of family does she belong?
Jenny belongs to an extended family.
That's correct. Delicia, French Guyana is to Cayenne as Venezuela is to French Guyana is to Cayenne as Venezuela is to
Caracas.
Caracas is correct. Fionn, what is the official language of Suriname? What is the official language of Suriname?
Dutch.
Dutch is correct. Serena, with which national holiday is the lighting of dias associated? With which national holiday is the lighting of dias associated?
Idul Adha. Idul Adha.
No. Try again. Fionn.
Diwali.
Diwali is correct. Harmony, your question. Which religious group celebrates Diwali? Which religious group celebrates Diwali?
The Hindus.
Hindus, that's correct. Caleb, what event took place on Plantation Magdalenenburg in February 1763? What event took place on Plantation Magdalenenburg in February 1763? Make a try. Taylor, your question. And that is the Berbice Slave Rebellion. We're on to the mathematics segment. Janelle, your question is, find the product of 6 and 18. Find the product of 6 and 18.
108.
That's correct. Alicia, the number of subsets we can get from the set orange, mango, and plum is the number of subsets we can get from the set orange, mango, and plum is
8.
8 is correct. Fionn, 987 taken from 5,987 will give us this. 987 taken from 5,987 will give us this.
$5,000.
5,000 is correct. Serena, your question. What percentage is 36 out of 48? What percentage is 36 out of 48? Fionn, sorry. The answer is 75%. Harmony, your question. What is the perimeter of a shape with measurements 14 centimeters, 13 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 6 centimeters? What is the perimeter of a shape with measurements 14 centimeters, 13 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 6 centimeters?
$42.
42 is correct. Kayla, which of these angles would have 265 degrees? Acute, reflex, obtuse. Which of these angles would have 265 degrees? Acute, reflex, obtuse.
Reflex.
Reflex is correct. And we're now on to the science segment. Janelle, centipede and millipede belong to this group of invertebrates. Centipede and millipede belong to this group of invertebrates. That's correct. Delicia, a pair of scissors is an example of this type of simple machine. A pair of scissors is an example of this type of simple machine.
Lever.
Lever is correct. Fionn, what is the total possible number of teeth an adult may have? What is the total possible number of teeth an adult may have?
32.
That's correct. Serena, your question. The splitting and scattering of seeds of a dry fruit is this type of dispersion. The splitting and scattering of the seeds of a dry fruit is this type of dispersion. Fionn? No. Explosive is the correct response. Harmony. What is the anemometer used to measure? What is the anemometer used to measure?
The speed of wind.
That's correct. Kyla, your question. Which force is needed to separate iron filings from sand? Which force is needed to separate iron filings from sand?
Magnetism.
That's correct. And we're on to the final segment of this first round in the preliminary segment. Sports. Janelle. Christopher Barnwell is to cricket as Michael Anthony is to this. Christopher Barnwell is to cricket as Michael Anthony is to this. No, try again. No. Alicia.
Golf.
Cycling. Michael Anthony is involved in cycling. Alicia, your question. Darren Bravo is to Trinidad as Andre Russell is to. Darren Bravo is to Trinidad as Andre Russell is to.
Guyana.
No. Try again.
Mario.
No. Yes. Jamaica is correct. Fionn. The secretary of the Guyana Table Tennis Association is. The secretary of the Guyana Table Tennis Association is. Make a try. Serena. Lyndon Johnson. Serena, your question. Name the sponsors of the one-day golf tournament held at the Lusignan Golf Club on February 9, 2014. Name the sponsors of the one-day golf tournament held at the Lusignan Golf Club on February 9, 2014. Fionn.
Yes, cricket.
The sponsors are Banks DIH Limited and Citizens Bank Incorporated. Harmony, your question. Name the country in which the 2014 South American Games was held. Name the country in which the 2014 South American Games was held.
Brazil.
No, try again. Kayla.
Suriname.
Chile is the correct response. Kayla, you have the final question. Alicia Fortune and Alika Morgan are known for this sport. Alicia Fortune and Alika Morgan are known for this sport.
Athletics.
Athletics, that's correct. And that just brought us to the end of this first round in the preliminary rounds of the National Library and Gafoors Inter-Schools Competition 2014. We're now awaiting the results from the judges. We are now in receipt of the results from the judges, and I would like for you to give yourselves a big round of applause for a job well done. Remember, the judges' decision is final, and you are all winners in your own right. I'll first give you the persons who amassed the highest scores. And those two persons are Janelle Batson, 9 points, and Fionn Bermigen, 9 points. The runner-up school is J. Burnham with 18 points. And the winning school is St. Ambrose with 26 points. I would like for you to come and congratulate your peers.
This brings us to the end of round 1 of the preliminary round of the competition. St. Ambrose, the winning school, will go forward to the semi-final. See you next time around for another in the National Library and Gafoors Inter-Schools Quiz 2014.
The Guyana Learning Channel, taking education to all corners of Guyana.